We are passing through very difficult times. Pakistan was not like this. Let me share with you my experience. I was born in 1959. I have seen the heydays of Pakistan. Let me share few things with you. In 1962, PIA was the best airline in the world. PIA and Japan Airline were the two airlines in entire Asia flying a jet engine aircraft, 707. India, Taiwan, Singapore, they were all flying Dakotas. In 1964, we had our television. India got it in 64. In 64, we had the electric train flying from Lahore to Sahiwal. I have seen Pakistan heydays. You had the cinema halls full, you had mosques full as well. Best of the movies would be shown over here. You know, the Beatles, they came to Karachi, they landed at Karachi. Jacqueline Kennedy traveled on PIA. President Lyndon B. Johnson came to Karachi on PIA. So that was the standard of this country.